The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Persons who are in breach of the curfew order, bar being open. These men were seen in the bar. Snap raid run, here a search, nothing illegal found. They were found to be in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, and they will be prosecuted.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla there. Big up and respect to each and everyone, you know. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see it? So viewers and subscribers, this video that I'm doing right about now is about some videos that are circulating on social media. And according to what has been said about some of these videos that are circulating on social media, is that some of these videos are showing of persons that are disobeying the all-island curfew that is within the country of Jamaica, and also disobeying the social distancing thing. And I also have a video that is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows of a place that is within the country of Jamaica that is empty during the all-island curfew. Now I'm going to show you some of these types of videos that is out on social media about the whole all-island curfew in Jamaica. Here's what I'm saying to you, because I can only show you some of them, but I can't show you all of them. You understand me? So alright, I'm going to present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and as I present these videos to you, I will explain to you a little bit about each video, if I can. Here's what I'm saying to you. And some of these videos, me just have to just put them together and present them to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, because basically some of these videos is basically falling under the same category, so therefore me just put it together and present it to you. You understand me? Alright, so with that now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the first video to you right about now, you see me? And this video, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video is about, you know, persons that are said to be disobeying the whole social distancing thing. And it is said that this video shows of a party that is happening somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, some time ago, the Prime Minister of Jamaica made an announcement saying that there should be only a certain amount of persons seen together in public. So basically what he had said is that there should be no public gatherings like churches or parties and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? And you know, the Prime Minister of Jamaica also asked persons to practice the whole social distancing thing, you see me? But however, according to how I understand it, is that this video that is out on social media, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of persons, you know, having a party or they're partying, and it is said that these persons are totally disobeying the whole social distancing thing. Is what I'm saying to you? Now here I'm going to show you the video, viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Who do that? Who Bambakla do that? Who do that? Who Bambakla do that? Come. Who do that? We know the blood clot water. Who do that? Who do that? Who worry for water bucket? Bambakla, the boy them a come. The boy them a come.
All my flow saying all the car music when the man them pass them turn on back in them.
The boy them a come. See me on my phone now.
Oh, alright.
Buy one in a yard too.
No water.
One of them.
Oh, say right the white light in the road.
Inside, go on the inside. Inside, go on the inside. On the inside. On the inside. String up. String up inside, go on the inside. Buckler. Go on the inside. String up. Yeah, there's some running. Yeah, yeah. Go on the inside. Come on the inside. No, Dougal. Dougal, me have it on my phone. Come on the inside. I want to hear Dougal move the run come in. What Shine say? What Shine say? We can play about this. What Shine say?
What Shine say?
What Shine say?
All the bumbo clad.
Shine, play about this. Guys, come on the inside.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You see me? That video is out on social media, you know. Comments have been made about this video and so on. You see me? You know, when we look at this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, I just get the understanding that a lot of persons in Jamaica just miss their partying and so forth. You see me? And you know, me not have a problem with persons who love them party and them thing. They believe you me. But you know, but at the same time, you know, we have to really and truly, you know, think about the consequences of things, you see me? Yeah, because this whole COVID-19 thing, believe it or not, it is no joke, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, you see what I'm saying to you? Now, this video that I'm going to show you, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of the place that is known as Linstead. And according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that the place is empty during the all-island curfew. Is what I'm saying to you? So anyways, take a look at this video, listen and observe.
Yes, people, good evening. Just showing you all how Linstead look at this moment. 4 o'clock in the evening, and this is King Street, Bargain World, also Peck Street. Right now, Linstead is a ghost town. I'm going to show you the great Market Street where a lot of people always located. Yeah, we are here. The police is here to maintain the peace and order of this country. The great Linstead is now a ghost town, and it's 4 o'clock in the evening. Just the police alone at this moment maintaining the peace. Okay, sign out.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that is out on social media that is said to be showing the place that is known as Linstead. And it is said that Linstead town is empty because of the whole curfew that is going on within the island of Jamaica, which is an all-island curfew. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I have some pieces of videos that I'm going to show you right about now. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, as I'm going to show you these pieces of videos, I'm going to show you like video 1, video 2, and video 3, and so on. Is what I'm saying to you. Because according to what has been said about these videos on social media, is that these pieces of videos shows of different places within the country of Jamaica where people are running from police officers, or you can say the police that are within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that they are doing this because of the whole all-island curfew. You know, this whole thing between the police officers of Jamaica and the citizens of Jamaica, you know, according to what has been said about this whole thing on social media, is like this thing is like a cat and mouse thing between the citizens and the police officers within the country of Jamaica. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, may I get into these videos right about now and show you. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, come on. Police book them a shot.
That's friend them out there. Turn back down.
I'm going down, sir. I'm going down, sir.
See it now, you know.
Ratia come there.
Sprint, my boy, sprint. Sprint, my boy, sprint. Don't make him all you. John no slow them, are you? John no slow, are you slow? Run slow, run. Don't make them all you slow.
Blood clot!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. You understand me? Yeah, and you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.